Good morning, everybody. A lot of you have been asking me about a stock scanner, so I wanted to give you one that's free that I find very helpful during the day, and I'm going to talk about it in this video as well as show it to you. You are going to hear it in the background, and I did this intentionally, and I don't have my headset in, but hopefully names got called out while I was on this so that you could hear what's happening, and hopefully it doesn't drown me out. But if it does, please let me know in the comments, and I will try to do it without it. I just figured it would be better showing you with sound on so that, you know, if plays were getting called out, you could actually see it live as I'm talking about it. So let's get started. A lot of you have asked me about stock market scanners, and I wanted to bring to your attention the one that I use that's free that I actually really like. You know, it gives you pre-market, high in momentum, low float, meaning it has less than 10 million shares. And guys, it gives you stocks with over 20% short interest, a watch list at open, as well as the top gappers with volume. That means that they've gapped, meaning they've moved up or down in the pre-market and what's starting to make movement. I feel it's a very, very good tool that's for free, and I always have it playing in the background while I'm trading. And it's interesting because a lot of the charts that I already watch end up either on this list throughout the day or end up or start the day on this list. But it's funny because I'll be typing on Twitter, you know, a stock's name and it's about to move, and all of a sudden they start calling it out on here. So, you know, it's you know, a really good tool in my opinion, because clearly if I'm seeing it, typing it out, and then it's getting called out on my scanner, which I'm not watching during the day, I'm just listening for what they're calling. But, you know, I do have 20 charts at any one time up on my screen that I am paying attention to. So sure enough, when that is getting called out, right as I'm either watching it and about to tell you guys or have just typed to Twitter for, it's confirmation that, okay, I'm right. You know, this is making its move now. So anyways, I thought I would share it with you. It is called, the channel name is called Zendu. That's Z as in Zulu, E as in Echo, N as in November, D as in Delta, O as in Oscar, O as in Oscar. Hope I did a good job remembering my phonetic alphabet for that one. But guys, I really like it because, again, it's a good free tool. And if you can catch these plays early and you start to look at news, get up early, you have to put the time in. I am up every single morning watching stocks starting at 6:45 a.m. And I promise you, over time, once you get used to it, you will start to see the moves happen before they even hit this board. And that'll be really a good feeling when that happens for you. So I just thought I would share it with you because I do have a lot of people asking me what a good stock scanner is. There's also Benzinga. That is a paid subscription that I've used in the past that I think has some, you know, good information on it, but they give you a lot of news events. And I'm not sure if there's a way to tweak it and stuff because I am not that technically savvy, as you can tell from my videos. But, you know, the important stuff like the information I can absolutely get out there. But when it comes to technicals, guys, I don't know. I think I'm a dinosaur. But at any rate, I don't like the news being shot at me. I like to read it throughout the day, but it gives me anxiety. And I found out in the beginning when I first started using it, I tried to jump into something on a news catalyst and it didn't always pay off that way. So I had to just stop using that. And I've gone to this, and again, I don't run into things. I don't chase. I wait for a pullback if I'm not already in that play. And guys, I think that there's a lot of money to be made using a stock scanner. At the very minimum, it gives you conviction in your plays and something to keep an eye on to build a watch list at the start of the day. This is always the first place that I look, as well as Webull and MOOMOO. Guys, I will put a link in the comments below so that if you're interested in getting MOOMOO or Webull for their tools, which I use in pretty much most all of my videos that I'm talking about certain things, you can see those are where I get my sources from. And if you make a small deposit into each of them, you get free stocks. Right now, MOOMOO's giving away, I think, Bank of America still. And Webull has a different promotion every single week or couple weeks, it seems like. But they give you a lot of free stocks for I think you get it for a couple just for free for signing up. But if you deposit, I don't know if it's $5 or $100. I think it changes. But if you deposit, let's say $100, they give you like 10 to 15 free stocks depending on what the promotion is at the time. It's a great free opportunity, and I've gotten some really great stocks off of there. You know, I got AR when it was $10, and it's now trading at like $30 or $40, and I got several shares of it, which I did sell when I thought it hit the top. But at any rate, you know, guys, it's free stocks. Can't go wrong with that. So check it out in the comments below if you're interested. If not, no worries. You do you. But anyways, I thought I would share the stock scanner with you, and please let me know if you use it for a couple days. Come back to these comments and tell me how you like it and if it's helped your trading at all. All right, have a great day.